Around here at Crypto Vault, we treat Dogecoin, Doge, digital currency with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as an internet image, Dogecoin exhibits how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. Dogecoin origin and purpose. Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its advancement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more receptive and well-disposed digital currency. Its most unmistakable element, nonetheless, is its mascot. The engineers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found, and the price is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand, and it turned into a main thrust behind its prevalence. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to certainly stand out in different web-based entertainment. The coin turned popular even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Good cause and tipping for around 3 years the image coin was well known, yet not effectively exchanged, and there were no quick cost developments by the same token. A few cause programs and a cordial Doge people group assisted the coin with getting the trust of the local area. The coin developed its client base with the assistance of the Reddit people group and other social stages. It moved the Dogecoin market cap in rates, not even the most bullish experts might have anticipated. Doge cost dropped essentially, and its market cap has additionally left its high point. In any case, it is one of the main 15 coins available, and by and large ROI is around 11,000%. It is additionally really famous advanced coin since Elon Musk is empowering clients to get it and send it to the moon. Dogecoin is the 10th buy deals and trade digital money on Crypto Vault, yet notwithstanding this, clients consistently trade it because of the long presence and advancement of the coin. Dogecoin, Doge, price analysis. 2018 was an intense and negative year for Doge. Likewise to the next market, Dogecoin cost brought down by the deficiency of the public's consideration. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, regardless of the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin conjecture isn't exceptionally splendid. During the value falls of March, July, and September, Dogecoin was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however terrible as it could be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long-term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other digital forms of money that can carry cash to their proprietors, the best digital money to put resources into 2022 for long haul. Dogecoin trend analysis. Dogecoin ubiquity was extraordinarily steady throughout the span of the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying diagram that the coin even figured out how to get a hunt-term Dogecoin spike in fame. The coin was exceptionally intriguing for Google clients with regards to January 2018. Several less huge pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the prominence was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement concerning the business emergency happening today. Doge is broadly claimed, and the local area individuals look to involve their Dogecoins in regular day-to-day existence. As of late added Bitrefil's Arab installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Arab caused a cost ascend against United States dollars by 3% more than 3 days after the declaration. As per Google Trends, Doge has a serious crowd and is most famous in Venezuela. Like Dash, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option, in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between ordinary individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoin showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on Dogecoin's true Twitter account, focused on potential cryptographic money purchasers. In it, engineers ask not to capitulate to FOMO and pursue venture choices all alone. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.097. The greatest level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 15 cents. The greatest expected Doge cost might be around 17 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 15 cents in 2023. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About 21 cents and 26 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 22 cents. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Dogecoin and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 30 cents, while its most extreme can reach 37 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 31 cents. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Doge costs are normal in 2026. 52 cents and 45 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 47 cents. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Dogecoin. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 70 cents. It could drop to at least 68 cents, yet it actually could reach 78 cents all through 2027. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan gauges at the cost of Dogecoin. It is assessed that Doge will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 98 cents and $1.18 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.01 during the year. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2029. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogecoin's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the greatest